Hi folks, let's see some of the important crypto news from last few days. So the first is Germany's missed opportunity with Bitcoin. Yes, Germany sold nearly 50,000 Bitcoins between June and July at an average price of just 53,000. So the earnings about around 2.8 billion. However, the Bitcoin's price is now hitting all-time high 93,000 as of now. So the country could have made 4.5 billion, resulting in a missed gain of over 2 billion dollars. So, and why Germany sold Bitcoin earlier? Because Germany law sees it as it must be sold if their value changes significantly by their more 10%. To avoid market risk. The Bitcoin stock high confiscated from the movie 2.2k was defeated gradually, stating in the mid June. So this large sell-off slightly pushed Bitcoin prices down at the time. And you know what? Lots transcriptions of multiple platforms. In July, Germany authorities moved thousands of bitcoins to various platforms like a Bitstamp and some Coinbases, along with some transfers to unidentified wallet address. So by July, 12th, the last Bitcoin was sold. So marking the end of the liquid, validation. So on the other hand, just a few months later, Bitcoin price now surged due to the optimization and Donald Trump's elections. So when expectation of a crypto-friendly regulation in the US, and this rally boosted investor confidence, sending bitcoins and other markets to records high. So on the other hand, now German political John Carter voiced concern that if there is a US adoption Bitcoin as a static reverse asset, it might trigger to the reaction European countries actually. So she wondered that fear of missing out like FMO could push nations to quick adoption Bitcoin quickly. So moving to next topic, like MicroStrategy made recently purchased Bitcoin worth of 4.6 billion, causing it stock price hit a high record. So the company also plans to raise 1.75 billion more through some notes to increase its crypto investment. So like this announcement lead to like around 13% surge in its stock value, showing how well its Bitcoin focus strategy actually working. So the company stock has performed expectational well in 2024 with a rise of over 500% in 2024. So this is much higher than the micro major company like Microsoft, Microsoft, which saw an 11% increase. Like MicroStrategy success is try to bold decision to focus on Bitcoins like a core investment under the leadership of the like a co-founder Mitchell Sayer. And Mitchell Sayer like pivoted MicroStrategy towards Bitcoin in 2020 actually. So to protect the company from inflation, initially the company used it to cash reverse actually. So now they are looking rise the company, but it's now raises fund by issuing some stocks and convertible bonds to continue its Bitcoin acquisitions. And currently like a MicroStrategy owns 3,31,200 bitcoins now, like bought an average price of 88,627 per coin. With Bitcoin price like rising, the company has estimated like 13.7 billion in unrealized profit, like showcasing the strength of its investment strategies. No, to fund like more Bitcoin purchase, MicroStrategies also plans to issue some senior convertible notes, like which allows investor to convert debt into equity. So like these notes with 0% interest in maturing in 2029. So like having a key part of the company's funding strategy, like as seen in their successful insurance earlier this year. So moving to next part, Donald Trump. Meets like a convo CEO for some key discussion. So recently, President election Donald Trump recently met with Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong to discuss like a potential candidates for important position in his new administration, like including roles, SEC, RLC roles. Like this was the first meeting since the US election. So and also like Trump is working on like a finalizing like cabinet and appointing like a senior officials and shaping his team effectively, like governance. Some notable figures like Elon Musk, then Vivek Ramaswamy, like have been selected to lead the newly established Department of Government Efficiency. So Dodge is nothing but even now Department of Government Efficiency. So on the other hand, like key position like SEC chairmanship and treasury secretary are under now discussion. So like crypto mom Esther and Robin Hood's Dan Gagger and Kevin Walsh and Mark Rowan. Like what Felder, like a reserve governor, Kevin Washington and billionaire Mark Owen are considered for the Treasury Secretary. So on the other hand, once the Trump now supports the crypto industry at the Bitcoin price of 2024, like conference, he shared some plans from the president, like focusing on forecasting crypto and innovation and growth in the United States. So and also like Trump emissions making the US the global hub for the cryptocurrency and blockchain. So actual technology and actually is promoting some policy that encourages some innovation and strengthens the country's leadership in the digital economy. So moving to another part, like Bitcoin's price surged 90,000. Now it's making the eighth largest financial asset globally with a market cap of 1.8 trillion. So this was a good surprising silver value. Actually, it's overtake the silver market cap. Now Bitcoin reaches now all-time high of 93,318 at this time recording video, like me marking some significant 39.5% price surge from the recent low of 66 880. So it was showcasing some growing alignment with major financial markets, like following the sharp rally, like investors secured profits leading to 640 million in net flows outflows, sorry, in net outflows, and a phase of price like a consolidation phase similar to pattern seen in the traditional markets. So as now like Bitcoin transaction under 1 lakh okay have reached a 3-year high, though overall retail participation remains lower compared to the peak at the 2021 bull run. So that like despite the recent surge, retail activity including like Google searches and app downloads, like Google search and app downloads has not let matched the levels seen before the Bitcoin's previous market say previous is 2021 bull run market cycle. Moving to next question, like either introduce like a hard-on, new platform named hard-on. It designed to help the institution and the governments like a corporation and fund managers. So announced on November 14th, this platform focusing on like making it easier to create and manage some digital version of assets like stocks, bonds, some stable coins and loyalty points. So like Hadron will enable some user to securely issues and manage and invest in tokens and asset while following some strict regulations. So like tokenizations is a process where real world assets are converted into digital forms on a blockchain, like offering more flexibility and transparency. So like the CEO highlights that like Hadron shared a platform users of technology like which are already secure 125 billion worth of assets. Like he also emphasized the Hadron makes and tokenization simple, like a safe, scalable, creating new opportunities for business and governments in the digital economy. So while like a traditional finance system often limit access, like explained, and Hadron aims to foster like open and transparent like future, making the world of digital asset accessible to everyone. So moving to next news, Goldman Sachs is planning to create a new and separate blockchain-focused company, like modernizing financial process for institutional clients. Like this new entity is expected to be ready in the next 12 to 18 months. 12 to it's 18 months will aim to improve like financial some instruments or traders settled and managed using blockchain technology. So the plan is still waiting for regulatory approval. So and also this new platform will allow some institution to use some blockchain, okay, or like for transactions involving traditional assets like bond, cash, and also expanding its services to include like a private digital asset markets. So and also Goldman Sachs is like a partnering with no includes partnership trade web markets, okay, like to like electronic trading platform. So this collaboration will focus on like exploring some blockchain based solution to financial markets and more some efficient. So by settling up this like a blockchain based entity, Goldman Sachs is looking also for transferring some financial process and enabling efficient like a transaction across both traditional and digital assets like assets market. So moving to like coming to final crypto news is about like Elon Musk blocked Open AI's ECO in 2018. Actually, he has believed that it would damage the organization trustworthiness and its mission to develop safe some AI technologies. So Elon Musk some legal term real details that blocked ICO in a lawsuit, like setting concerns about launching a token would like undermine open's credibility. So its goal to save like artificial intelligence AGI. And also this decision was driven by the internal disagreement for our financial strategies, and with some of the co-founder proposing that ICO, to help funds organization, while Musk opposed it to maintain the non-profit integrity. And also Elon Musk warned that ICO would lead to lose credibility for open AIs and machine. And also he emphasizing the importance of the maintaining some trust as organization software to advance some AI safety. So yeah, this is all about the last few days crypto news. So if you like it, please hit a like button and don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.